So tell me, what comes to your mind when you hear the word corporate? Is it excitement, fear, ambition, or confusion? For many, the corporate world feels like a safe zone where you grow professionally, financially, personally, and socially. But then, why there is so much stigma around it? Tell me in the comments if you agree. It is because of the constant struggle in finding time, maintaining balance, managing stress, and most importantly, the impact on health and happiness. Hi, I'm Neha, and I had a successful IT career spanning 20 years, starting as a developer and eventually becoming a co-founder of a startup. And now through this corporate series, I'm here to share real-life experiences and practical tips to guide you at every stage. So today, first of all, if you have just completed your college and secured the first job, many congratulations to you. This video is specially for the freshers stepping into the corporate world. And for the ones already working, refreshing these mindsets can give your journey a fresh boost too. In today's video, I will be sharing 6 powerful mindset shifts that can help you not just survive, but truly shine in corporate life. So let's get started. कॉलेज में क्या होता है सबको पता है, राइट? सच में वो लाइफ के बेस्ट दिन होते हैं। वो लेक्चर बंक करने का मज़ा और कैंटीन में फ्रेंड्स के साथ घंटों हंसी मजाक। बट कॉर्पोरेट में रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज एवरीथिंग। यू आर ट्रस्टेड विद वर्क, डेडलाइंस and clients' expectations. So for the time you are in the office, you must be responsible, professional, and respect everyone's time. एक personal tip: keep your professional attitude limited in the office. और फिर घर आके अपने friends, parents, spouse, children के साथ वैसे ही casual रहो जैसे आप हमेशा से हो. And keep that child within you alive. When you enter the corporate world, you need to unlearn a few things. You might have been the topper of your university with the best grades, but that feeling of number one doesn't work here. It is your consistently impressive results that actually matter. हमने अपनी कंपनी में 15 freshers hire किए, and one of them came in with very high attitude and considered himself as superior to others. But this attitude, your first impression, my dear, can cost you dearly. So you must focus on results and overall performance. Transition from a solo worker to team member requires a big mindset shift. कॉलेज में सबको इंडिविजुअली वर्क करने की आदत होती है या फिर प्रोजेक्ट वर्क भी भाईचारे की तरह निकल जाता है. बट इन द कंपनी यू नीड टू एस्टैब्लिश योर आइडेंटिटी and earn recognition. And it might be that in the beginning, you start working in silos. But it doesn't matter how good you are at your work. If you are not in sync or coordination with the team members, you are bound to get stuck. And you may not receive the respect for your efforts. Remember, parts of the machine when put together give the output. And for that, they need to communicate with each other. So collaborate, communicate, and support your team members. You rise faster when your team rises together. I saw one fresher talking to his team members very loudly. Bro, क्या सीन है? लंच के लिए चले? And even to his mentor in the very first week of joining. हाँ, मुझे सब समझ में आ गया यार, मैं इसे कर लूँगा. What is this? Come out of the college mode and before the very first day at the company, learn to speak in a professional, sophisticated manner. Your words reflect योर प्रोफेशनलिज्म. कॉलेज में जनरली ऐसे ही होता है कि टीचर बताएंगे क्या करना है या एक बार फ्रेंड्स के साथ डिस्कस कर लें फिर काम स्टार्ट करेंगे. बट इन द कंपनी यू सिंपली कैन नॉट सिट बैक एंड एक्सपेक्ट समवन टू स्पून फीड यू एवरी टाइम. सो टेक द इनिशिएटिव, प्रोएक्टिवली सजेस्ट आइडियाज, own the projects, and if given the opportunity, lead small tasks. This is how leaders are noticed early. Early years of the career are very important for building the strong foundation. But never go overboard at the cost of yourself. I know the pressure you may feel, late nights, tight deadlines, and the fear that if you slow down for a moment, you will fall behind. At the same time, corporate job means long hours of sitting and hence less movement. You know why I'm here in front of you? I have seen many employees in their 20s develop health diseases like PCOD, low blood pressure, chronic fatigue, dizziness, all before they could even hit their stride. And I don't want that for you. That is why I transitioned from the corporate life to become a hustlee's mentor. Imagine waking up each morning feeling energized, your mind clear, your body strong, your heart at ease, ready to own the day both at work and at home. That life is within your reach, starting with the choices you make today. So commit to at least 30 minutes of exercise 5 days a week. Limit ordering outside food to the fixed days. Learn few quick, basic, healthy recipes to handle those exceptional days when you are late or your cook is on leave. You can also refer to the follow-along workout videos and quick recipe videos I have been posting on my channel to make every minute count. So if you are ready to thrive in body, mind, and soul, hit that subscribe button and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's build not just successful careers, but joyful, radiant, and vibrant lives together. Wish you a very good luck.